We started the Creative Leadership Program here at Visible Music College for someone just like you, someone interested in design and graphics and content creation and film, and someone who wants to serve in the church and pastoring people and leading teams. So if that's you, then our program is the perfect fit. From day one, you'll be creating content, you'll be interfacing with other team members and leaders. On day one, you'll be creating content, you'll have a camera in your hands, you'll be learning graphic design, and not just learning it, but you'll be doing it. And that's one of the unique things here at Visible Music College, is that we're not just about the academic side, about learning about how to create content or how to do graphic design or web development, but you're actually doing it. It's real life experience. You're working on projects, you're working with other people, you're doing ministry. So that's the content creation side of creative leadership. But there's also a ministry side of creative leadership, where right from day one, you'll be learning theological concepts and team leading and learning how to lead and orchestrate services and public speaking. And so our ministry side of creative leadership serves those who are really passionate about the church, leading the church creatively, and our content side serves to empower those who want to build content, generate content that serves the church in excellence. So here's some of the things you'll be ready for with a creative leadership degree. Being a creative director at a church, being on a creative team at church, working with audio production and film production and content creation, graphic design, working with web development. And we're a music college, so we're looking at all of this in the context of creating music and storylines and narratives for artists, and that applies to the church and the industry as well. The reason you're coming to Visible is because it's extremely hands-on. It's not just academic and learning about concepts and content creation and pastoral ministry and team leadership. You're putting into practice what you're learning in the classroom. You're learning from professionals in the field that you're looking to go into, and you're also practicing and doing the content creation, the ministry leadership alongside those professionals and alongside other students. So if that's you, then take the next step today. Take the next step now. Apply at visible.edu. When you graduate from Visible, you're not just going to have a degree, but you're going to have a portfolio of projects, and you're going to have experience in the field that you're wanting to go into. Employers, church ministry leaders, they're looking for experience. They're looking for, have you done the stuff? And that's what we offer here at Visible.